Hello and welcome to another Carstar video. Today's short clip we will be showing you how to do the final phase of fitting a Volvo S40 door handle. This is not a complete guide, it's just the ending of what I found tricky and other people might also find tricky to do. And also, if you do know of a better way of doing this, please let us know in the comments below so we can all learn together from this experience. Now let's get on to our main tutorial. Now the reason why this one was a bit interesting was because most of the time with door handles you need to have the door trim out and put the door handle and then screw it in from the inner part of the door. With Volvos, well, the way I did it was I made a hook at the end of this rod over here, and you first pull the part that the door handle latches onto. I know you can't see this in the video, but that's the trick of it, if that makes sense. Once you pull that part out with a metal piece, and then you will be turning it anti-clockwise to lock it in place. Okay, now first you pull it with that metal piece and then turn the torque screw to your right, as you can see, anti-clockwise. I believe it was T20 torques, and that won't go back. And then you can remove your metal piece with the hook at the end, and then over here you get your handle and whatnot and you put it in place. So on this one I've already done that locking thing that I just showed you 20 seconds ago, and basically you put your handle and into the slot that you pull out, and then with the torques this time you turn it clockwise to the right, and that will eventually release and pull the handle in, as you will see shortly. And just like that, the handle will go in by itself. If this doesn't happen, that means that the handle has not been installed correctly. And then turn it anti-clockwise again, or to the left. Pull the handle out a bit to put the second piece of the handle in place. So right now you would need to pull the handle, and then just like that, the second piece goes in. And then this time you turn your torque screw to the right or clockwise direction to lock it in place, and that's exactly how it's done. I hope you have found that video helpful. We do apologize that it wasn't a complete guide and it wasn't all in sync from left to right side, but that's basically the idea of how to do the final phase of fitting a door handle. If you do know a better way of installing these door handles, let us know in the comments below. I would really like to know, as I did spend a lot of time trying to fit these handles myself. Please don't forget to like, comment and subscribe, and we'll see you in our upcoming videos.